Hey, Leah.
My wallet.
You're driving?
I'm not directing.
You're trying to drive right now?
Directing.
Huh? Okay, let me get this out of the grass for you. Ready? Put in gear for me, thank you. That's fourth gear, but put in second gear. Second gear, right? Boop, boop. Nope. Oh, that's third gear. Fine, we can get out of third gear. Alright. See what you can do. Ready? Here we go. Right into the grass. Asian driver, no survivor. Check out the new window with the new wrap. What's up, guys? It's Mike and Shark Boy.
What up?
We just missed our turn. We are gonna pick up at NRG today for oh, they actually have a gate. Okay, question. How do I get in? But we're here to pick up racing steering wheel and actual seats because we got a racing sim and they are sponsoring us. I don't know how the gate opened, but the gate opened and we are entering. Hi, buddy.
Cattle dog? Cattle. There we go.
Hi, buddy. Smell my butt. What's up, Jason? How's it going, man? Thanks for having us here.
Hey, thank you for coming over. I hope it's not hard to find.
No, well, you've got a big ass sign, but you guys got a big old security gate too. It was intimidating when we walked in. Oh my God! This is a toy factory. John. This is why I picked John out of all the crew to come here, because he loves this shit. Oh my! Oh, dude, I saw this all over Instagram. Oh, John, look at this one. Look at the design on this one. Oh my gosh. What's up, buddy? I've got 2 doggies at home too. That's what we need right there. Dude, okay, so that's the Logitech adapter that we need to be pro drivers.
Additional hubs.
Oh, man.
And this is like a quick lock. That's like a new 4.0.
Yeah. That's the fancy one John was telling me about.
Yeah, it's a 350. And it has a pretty good like thumb rest.
Oh damn, it's weighted.
If you guys want to use it for like drifting,
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, I do.
I think this one will be a good one too.
Dude.
Oh man,
I feel like I'm in a car already. This is sick.
That's so cool.
Sit down on one of the. So this is one of our largest seats. This is the 300. And then this is the 11. The 11s are tucked in a little bit more. I personally like this one a lot.
Yeah.
And we have this one in red, blue, and black. And all 3 of those are FIA approved. This is what the drivers use, like for swaying.
Oh my gosh.
Ryan used it for his S14. I'm probably gonna make one up.
Cause I'm like a little wider in the back, but it's not like super snug. And then John, you're wider than me.
Yeah.
Right? Do you have dogs?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
I love dogs.
Yeah.
Dogs are life.
Oh, dude, we're tattoo bros. Look, I just realized that.
Dude.
Hell yeah.
That's pretty sick. I haven't got the. Oh, you got the waves, dude.
Yeah, I got the waves.
Man, you got colors, dude.
I got a little bit color, yeah. See, I'm thinking of something like this. I know we can do that, yeah. What do you think? Look at the back, guys. What?
It says it up here too.
Yeah, right in the back. You see the reflection? Man, that's cool, right?
Yeah.
I think it's like right in the middle of what these 3 are right here. Ooh.
Buttons are a little bit farther.
Yeah, you can still, yeah. That's
But you
cool.
could technically just bolt the wheels on straight to the adapter without the crew release. But the crew release is just kind of like, you can take it off and use your own.
Yeah.
I like that idea. What is this?
Sick.
What is this?
Custom collab.
Oh, what the heck?
That's for you too.
Damn, that's sick. You guys did a collab with
What the heck?
That's bad.
Dude, my backpack's in the car too. I put these in my backpack. Dude, look at this one.
It spins.
You can take it off. It's like a crew release.
Oh, it's a
that's
quick
sick.
release. Oh my gosh. Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you. These are sick.
Oh, that's so pretty.
You guys even have like,
This wood is really good.
Look at that wood. Do you have that one?
my.
Yeah,
What do you have for spoke color?
black. And I think I might have an MC. You know what?
What do you think of that one, John?
That one's fire.
Because that one goes perfect with the
Black and
Camaro.
black.
This
With a
one right
black
here.
with MC.
Oh my gosh, don't do this to me. Okay, I know my reactions are all over the place, but the idea is if we get a quick release, it'll be for the Camaro and the Sim.
Yeah.
but we want to make sure it can fit like the look of the Camaro, which is wood grain, but we want the craziness of colors. Dude, there's just so many things on here. Holy crap, the grill. Dude, that is so crazy.
3RMC deep dish.
Dude, I love this color.
Yeah, that color's
I love that color.
That's sick.
That multicolor is pretty crazy.
Yeah. Damn, that's sick.
But will it work in the Camaro?
Let's see what top fit.
Oh,
Yeah,
man,
see,
no.
see with the Camaro, it's like,
Classy, right?
because if it's black, then it would work for sure.
Yeah.
But the multicolor is just nuts. But I like the wood. The wood is definitely a
I
winner.
would just keep black.
Yeah. John, I think that's too wild for me. I don't think I can do it. It's too wild.
It's a little much. Really.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's do that one.
Is it that one?
That one.
Alright.
That one's pretty.
Black on black.
Damn, there's more toys.
Yeah, I know, right? So this one is the regular 170H, and it fits for like all the 69 to 94 GMs. They come in a little fall right in. So this is like the
Okay.
that's like that to go into the like a chute.
Ooh,
Check it out.
stickers.
It's black and black.
Oh, that is nice. Oh, that sound.
And then here's the silver one. It's the same one that's in there. There we go. Boom.
Oh, damn.
So this one, I'm gonna try to bring one out again. And what's your
John, pick one. Do we go black or silver for the quick release?
I like black. It's more low key.
Okay, black. But the column is silver. Dude, thank you.
coming over? Yeah, so this is a silver.
I love this heather. You know I always,
Yeah.
I love heathers. Oh, John, let's check this out. Moment of truth. So this is wood with black. Wood with black.
Oh, there it is.
Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Is that Christmas?
It is like Christmas.
Oh my goodness. That's it.
Way.
That's it.
Way different.
I like it.
Hell yeah. This is it right here.
Feels nice.
Oh yeah.
That's so nice. What's that?
Different
Fuck
color accent goes with
yeah.
the-
So that's what it ends up looking like this. Bah. They only have 2 of these right now too. Look at the craftsmanship.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. And these aren't even mass produced yet. And the craftsmanship is nice.
That's sick.
We got goodies, John.
This is
Let's go.
It's like Christmas all over
It
again.
is.
Can't stop smiling.
It's so cool. Look at. Oh my gosh. I am so thankful and so grateful for the opportunities we still get. It's crazy. It's like I don't even create that much content, but for these guys to still want to work with me, to believe that we're gonna do our best to promote and market. But besides that, they're fucking cool people. Damn, you work out, bro? Shit. You think it'll fit?
You can take out the box too. The box
Okay.
is like the bulky one.
Oh my god.
Spiders right here.
Ooh.
Hang on. Yep.
Damn. That's super awesome.
There's Ryan.
Hell yeah. It fits.
Yeah. You can fit like 3 of them.
I know, right? Sick.
Alright, we could do this.
Yeah. It's so it doesn't rock as we drive. Yeah, there we
Could
go.
be most of the doing the driving, testing,
no.
or building.
Building,
See, probably
testing,
building,
driving,
yeah.
crashing.
All of it.
Dude, thank you. Thank you. I can't wait. You ready?
Yeah,
We gotta build
excited.
this. We got work to do. John, we fucking got a setup. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Rob, wait till you see the seat we got. Wait until you see the seat we got.
Did you guys get, wait,
Wait.
did you guys get the,
Well, you just gotta see. Go help John.
what color is it?
I'm not telling you.
Is it the Christmas?
I'm not telling you anything. You just gotta go look. Yeah. Oh yeah, the steering wheel and stuff. Here. So the guys can't see yet. I'm not letting them see right now. Damn. Oh, got you. I'll unwrap you, baby. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Let's make it nice so Rob can see this. Oh. No, we can't see yet. All right, go ahead, Rob. Go ahead, Jay.
The Prismas! These are so nice. Oh my god.
Sitting on it first.
Jay gets to break it in.
I got it. I sit on it first.
Dude, the Prismas look so sick. I haven't seen it in person. It's fucking nice.
Dude.
Holy damn. Wow.
Wait till you see the steering wheel.
Oh shit.
All right, guys, open up that box. Go ahead.
All right.
Open up that box.
Yeah.
You're not ready. Open it up. Open it up.
Oh shit, I see wood.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Damn! Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Mamacita! God damn. Oh, this is nice.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit. Damn! This is gonna be fucking nice.
I didn't even know the back was like that.
Jay likes it.
I love it. It's so girly.
Hey,
oh,
hey,
what's on the
hey,
back?
hey.
I love it.
This shit is so fucking nice.
So
I don't even want to unwrap it. I just want to leave it like this forever.
so Asian. Jay gets the honors of breaking it in.
Here, I gotta make sure my butt's clean.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
It falls over. How's it, comfy?
Yeah, it's good.
Dang. Look at the back though. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, this is nice. Look, it's a perfect size for me. You know what? I'll just live here.
I just live here. We've got so many. Look, we've got 3 more over there. Feature seat, Rob?
Feature seat. Oh yeah, it hugs me real good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Woo! Wow, these are comfy. These are super comfy. God damn.
I like it. I like it. Sorry guys, this is the shirt that we're creating for month of May. No.
May.
Wait,
April,
is it
May. Yeah, May?
Yes.
January, March, April.
Yeah, May.
Yeah, March, May.
Yeah.
God damn.
Hey, little girl. Good night.
ADT is on in stay mode.
Good night.
No,
I love you.
love you.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Hello.
Wanna say bye to the vlog? Wanna say bye to the vlog? I guess not. Good night, guys. Bye.